Hello everybody and welcome to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee and I love to cook. Cooking for me is therapeutic and my love language I love to share with everyone. As you will see, some of my videos will be simple and short while others will be longer and more complex. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by and checking out my channel. If you like what you see, be sure to hit the subscribe button to show me love and watch my latest videos. Today I'm going to show you how I made my Latin-inspired lentil soup with turkey sausage. I've told you lentil soup is my favorite during this fall season, and this was inspired after I was having a just tough day. You all know we are all in this quarantine, and some days are great and some days are very challenging. On this same day, I also came across 5 Steps to Maintaining Your Joy by Dr. Darnita Payden. This meal is how I maintain my joy on this day. I hope you all enjoy.